Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're always looking for a deodorant that always makes you feel fresh and feel good and it's super easy to apply, then check this one out from Native. This is Native's whole body deodorant, so it's made for your pits and much more. It is the cucumber mint, and let me tell you, I do not like eating cucumbers at all, but this is my favorite scent. It just smells so fresh. The cucumber and the mint is very subtle, but it just always makes me feel clean and fresh, and I absolutely love this scent. Reasons why I like having the spray deodorant on hand is that it really is super easy to apply, and when you're out, maybe working out or just doing outside work, it's handy to have this in my bag. That way I can take it out, I can spray real easy. Also, it's really good for sharing with friends. That way you don't have to be worried about sharing your deodorant. You're just like, here, and all you have to do is spray. There's no physical contact with your deodorant. This helps with deodorant for your whole body. I don't use a lot of perfume, so I actually like using this when I feel a little bit sticky everywhere or just not smelling super great. Then I smell fresh again. Overall, this spray dries really fast. I haven't had any issue of it leaving marks in any of my clothing, no matter where I have sprayed it on my body. It's time to say goodbye to being stinky and hello to smelling great and fresh and using a spray that is super easy to use, but that's just my point of view.